savings store, where your dollar buys you more. Kmart is the saving place.
How you doing, Elaine? You so pretty. Yes, you are. You're pretty, Kitty.
We'll leave it right here for right now.
Okay.
Then we'll move it into the cage.
All right. All right. It's time to let the babies out. Come on. Come on, Azhar. Come on. All right. You just come out on your own time.
We'll get those fleas. We'll get those fleas taken care of.
Yes. No more living outside for you two ladies. Oh, baby. Okay, let me show you the litter. Azhar. Oh, they're going to go for foods. You're a sweet kitty. You're a sweet kitty. Look at you, so pretty. Oh, Elaine, you're so sweet. Oh, give me kisses. Give me kisses. Oh. Oh, so friendly, so sweet. Oh. 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 So guys, we're moving Epic's grandma's little bitty fridge to her place right now. Not too little, but I like to call it little because, you know, I'm so used to huge fridges. And I mean, it's bigger than a mini fridge. A little bit bigger, but smaller than your average huge fridge. Okay, we got it inside, guys. It's gonna go right there. We're opening it now. There it is, open, guys.
$36 a year.
Wow. Energy guide. See it inside. This is the freezer part, as you guys know. Let's see what the big part looks like. Oh wow, that is nice. Luxurious.
Looks like the future.
The future. So there it is. There it is in the spot, guys. Looks good. Looks good. Power's not on yet, but we can't plug it in yet because it was slanted in the van, so we gotta wait 24 hours even if the power was on. But there it is. Brand new little fridge. Magic Chef.